Namaste. Today I am going to discuss about the Lotus Mudra, how to do Lotus Mudra and its benefits. Sit in any comfortable meditation posture like Padmasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana are ideal for the practice of the mudras. Close your eyes and take some deep breaths with the awareness of the breathing process. Now bring both the hands in front of the chest, the thumbs pointing towards the chest. After that, you need to spread the index, middle and ring fingers very widely, just like an open lotus. Touch your thumbs and the little fingers towards only. Remove all thoughts from the mind has to focus the mind and chant Om. Om chant link given in a description box. It should be practicing both hands simultaneously. Do not decrease or increase the speed of breath from your side. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get the notification of the new videos. Duration for doing this mudra. Perform this pose for 15 minutes at a stretch every day or for 5 minutes 3 times a day. Benefits of doing this mudra. Lotus Mudra kills negative feelings like hatred, anger, misunderstandings. Lotus Mudra can help you to develop feelings of love, compassion, kindness, and affection towards others. Lotus Mudra not only opens the chakras but also connects us to the Anahat chakra or the heart chakra. Lotus Mudra also works on calms the mind and opens the heart to joy. It relaxes the mind and as well as stabilizes the body. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hope you like the content.